Cast on 28 stitches. Work a 1 by 1 ribbing. The first row, work knit stitches. The second row, work the salvage as purlwise. Wrap 10 times the yarn around the knitting needles. Wrap one more time and work all in knit stitch. Slip the stitch, pull out the yarns over and pull the yarn. One knit stitch, 2 purl stitches and repeat our worm. Continue to alternate till the end of the row. The third row, work knit stitches. The fourth row, 3 purl stitches, a worm. One knit stitch, 2 purl stitches and alternate till the row. To continue working, alternate from the first to the fourth rows.